Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use promo code on Prizepicks. To use promo code on Prizepick, you can follow the steps. First thing first, log in into your account and navigate to the promo tab. This is going to be located in the menu bar, so tap on the menu bar and you could find this option as promo code. When you tap on the promo code option, you could see this sort of interface. Now select the promo code that you want to use, then follow the in-app instruction to submit your lineup. So basically what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select this promo code option at the bottom of the page and enter in that. And for some security concern, you might also be asked to enter in your information such as your date of birth, all that. You could go ahead and enter it as well. The next thing you want to do is confirm that your promo code will be applied before submitting your lineup. You could also use your promo funds to fund your lineup submission. You can check your promo fund balance in the top right corner of the app next to the gift box icon. So this way you'll be able to use the promo code. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.